Next up, the final. Lane 1, Vicky Navarro, Boulder City Henderson. 2, Claire Pinson, Davis Art Racing Team. 3, Abby Dolan, Blackline Aquatics. 4, Jennifer Campbell, Palo Alto Stanford Aquatics. 5, Caitlin Clements, Magnolia Aquatic Club. 6, Lauren Heller, Lake Erie Silver Dolphins. 7, Riley Lanigan Patriot. 8, Sarah Shimamura, Santa Clara. Well, I've had the chance to announce juniors for a number of years, and one of the things that's really jumped out to me at this meet is the amount of effort the athletes and coaches are doing when it comes to technical expertise. It's been almost a quantum leap, say from even 2 or 3 years ago, from what we were seeing these athletes at the front of the line here at juniors really doing a great job on multiple aspects of their racing. Clearly, their coaches have been working hard on these aspects. Good job there, coaches, and great job by the athletes as well. Moving towards the 150, leading is Jennifer Campbell of Palo Alto Stanford. Campbell by a body length. We saw this yesterday in the finals. Lots of ladies and gentlemen jumping out in front and going for it. Not the easiest thing to do. You've got to have some serious training behind you. Now we'll see if the field can run down Campbell. Still looks very good. Up and away off the final turn. Moving up in 3 is Abby Dolan of Blackline. Jennifer Campbell was 1:48.11 this morning, and tonight 1:47.56. Second is Abby Dolan, 1:48.10, and Vicky Navarro's third there in lane 1 at 1:48.27. How about a nice round of applause there for the ladies and their efforts in the B final. Good job.